Lynette, we've now moved into kind of a different category when it comes to COVID transmission in LA County. The trend is going upwards, and the concern is if it continues, that could put a strain on our health system here in Los Angeles County, but we are not there yet. Let me show you the snapshot of where we stand with COVID right now in LA County. Right now we're at 202 cases per 100,000 people. That moves us from the low to the medium level when it comes to COVID transmission as defined by federal health authorities. The case rate has increased 15% in the past week. There are 379 patients with COVID in LA County hospitals, and in the last week, 7 people have died with COVID countywide. That number is stable. Now, here's an important point. LA County health officials say that at least when it comes to public hospitals, many of the COVID positive patients came in with other problems. They needed medical care, maybe for a stroke or a heart attack or something else, and they happened to test positive when they were admitted. ER doctors at private hospitals are saying the same thing.
It's about half and half. So, people are coming in with viral disease symptoms and they're testing positive, but they're benign. So there's that cohort. And there's the other cohort that are coming in for appendicitis and heart attacks and the other stuff. And they're incidentally testing positive without symptoms. So we're having both.
That doctor also says most of the COVID patients at his hospital are showing mild symptoms. He says most of them are people who were not vaccinated. LA County Public Health Director Barbara Ferrer says now that more people are getting infected, it's important to make sure that you're up to date with vaccinations and boosters. She also recommends wearing a mask when you're indoors and getting tested if somebody around you is sick or if you're exposed to someone who has COVID or if you go to a large gathering. People are hearing about this rise in COVID cases and taking precautions depending on their health status and their age. Does that concern you at all?
It does, because I am at a very vulnerable age.
You don't worry about it? Not too worried?
I don't worry, no. But I'm boosted, and I got my last one 3 weeks ago, so I'm feeling pretty confident.
In Los Angeles County, you're still required to wear a mask on public transit and in public transit hubs like airports and bus stations, that sort of thing. And that order was actually supposed to expire in a few days, but the county public health officials say they're going to keep it in place at least for the time being. Frank and Lynette.